Jay's Big Bad Cafe. Hey, 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 hey. Jay's Big Bad Cafe. I got turkey ring and yellow rice, cornbread. And I went to 20 again. And I ain't never had that turkey wings either, so I said when I start going, I'm gonna just get different things to see if it's good, or do I need to just stick with one thing. So that's the turkey wing. Oh, hold up. That's meat. Oh yeah, this been seasoned all the way through. When I say all the way through, and they was stingy today. They only give you one turkey wing. I don't like that. I don't like that. I was finna be real greedy and be like, I need more than one. It's good. It's good. I'll see y'all later because I got to enjoy this.